Welcome back to the channel. Today we are sitting inside the car once again, mixing style and comfort as we dive into something that is about to redefine the future of luxury travel, the 2027 Lexus Motorhome. Imagine the precision and class of Lexus design, now stretched into a full-size luxury RV that promises the same smooth driving experience you'd expect from their top sedans, but with the space and features of a rolling mansion. This isn't just another motorhome, it's a glimpse into how Lexus is bringing premium automotive craftsmanship into the world of luxury RVs. On the outside, the 2027 Lexus Motorhome looks like nothing else on the road. The front fascia carries the iconic Lexus spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and a streamlined aerodynamic body that reduces drag despite its size. The design language is bold yet elegant, with chrome accents and smooth lines running across its long body. Massive alloy wheels and adaptive suspension give it a commanding presence, making sure it doesn't just look luxurious, but also feels planted on highways. Every exterior detail, from the panoramic windows to the integrated smart side cameras, reflects Lexus's obsession with style and technology. Step inside, and the motorhome transforms into a five-star living space. The interior is wrapped in handcrafted leather, wood, and ambient lighting that feels straight out of a luxury suite. The cockpit features a fully digital dashboard, large infotainment displays, and AI-assisted driving controls that reduce stress on long journeys. Behind the driver's area, the lounge opens up with reclining leather chairs, a wide smart TV, and a panoramic sunroof that fills the cabin with natural light. The kitchen is designed with premium appliances, a compact induction setup, and a wine cooler, while the dining area feels like a private restaurant on wheels. Moving further back, the bedroom comes with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, hidden storage, and even a luxury bathroom with a rainfall shower. Lexus has carefully blended automotive sophistication with home-like comfort. When it comes to performance, Lexus has gone beyond expectations. The 2027 motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a high-output V8 engine with electric assistance, delivering smooth acceleration and efficiency. Advanced air suspension keeps the ride stable even on rough terrain, and its autonomous driving features allow the vehicle to manage highway cruising almost on its own. Noise cancellation technology ensures the cabin stays whisper quiet, even at high speeds, maintaining that Lexus trademark serenity. Now let's talk about pricing. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2027 Lexus Motorhome is expected to start around $1.8 million, placing it in the ultra-premium RV category. Compared to traditional high-end RVs, Lexus brings automotive refinement, unmatched design, and futuristic tech, making it worth every penny for those who demand only the best. So whether you're planning long-distance road trips or looking for the ultimate statement of lifestyle on wheels, the 2027 Lexus Motorhome is not just transportation, it's luxury reimagined. Lexus has stepped into the RV world with confidence, blending performance, comfort, and design into a masterpiece that might just set the new standard for motorhomes worldwide.